Hi everyone, and welcome to Gadgets Beast. In today's video, we are going to be looking at 5 trending vacuum cleaner that was trending in TikTok this month. Let's start with the TINEO Floor. 1S7 Pro is a cordless, wet, and dry vacuum cleaner that is designed to clean both hard floors and carpets. The Floor 1S7 Pro also has a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of allergens and pollutants, making it ideal for people with allergies or asthma. It has a cordless and lightweight design for easy maneuverability. The battery capacity and water tank can last up to 40 minutes, which is enough to clean an area of 2,500 square feet. That's the average size of a normal house. It will clean its self-running clean water, throw the system, and it have brush roll that removes dirt and hair without leaving behind any residue. You can change between 3 modes. Auto mode is the default mode and is designed for general cleaning. It automatically adjusts the suction power and water flow depending on the surface being cleaned. Dry mode is designed for cleaning hard floors without water. It uses the vacuum cleaner's suction power to remove dirt and debris. Wet mode is designed for cleaning hard floors and carpets with water. It uses the vacuum cleaner's suction power and water flow to remove dirt, debris, and stains. Next, let's take a look at the Bissell 2252 CleanView, a powerful and versatile upright dry vacuum cleaner that is perfect for homes with pets. It has specialized pet tools and features, so you know it is designed for homes with pets. It has swivel steering to get around and under furniture and other obstacles in your home. Pair that with edge-to-edge cleaning capabilities, and you can clean with confidence knowing that you're getting more with each pass. It also has a long power cord that gives you plenty of reach. On the other hand, it is not as quiet as some other vacuum cleaners due to its powerful engine. It can also be a bit heavy. However, for less than $120, it has remained on the top list of best-selling vacuums on Amazon for over a year. This machine doesn't just clean up after pets, it also helps save them. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation registered trademark, which is dedicated to helping homeless pets. Now we have a robot that can clean by itself, and all you have to do is to give the order from your phone or just with Alexa Home. The Dreamtech D10 Plus robot vacuum is a high-end robot vacuum cleaner that is designed to provide deep and thorough cleaning of your home. It features a powerful suction motor that can pick up dirt, dust, and debris from all types of surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and tile. Thanks to the LiDAR navigation, who allows the vacuum to map your home and create a cleaning plan that ensures that no area is missed, and multi-floor mapping that allows the vacuum to clean multiple floors in your home without having to be manually reset. Also, it has an auto-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. This means you don't have to empty the dustbin yourself, which can be a hassle. And of course, you can control the vacuum's cleaning schedule, power mode, and other settings from your smartphone. Overall, this robot vacuum can clean your house autonomously using LiDAR mapping, go over 20-member obstacle crossing, and avoid obstacle. It have drop avoidance technology, boosted suction on carpets, 180-min runtime, spot cleaning to make it clean as you like in specific area. Set no-go zones if you don't want to see it in some places in your house. Detailed multi-floor maps, voice control, automatic recharging with self-cleaning base that can give up to 45-day of hands-free cleaning. So, at a price of $399, this robot vacuum seems like a great value for the features and peace of mind it gives. If you have a budget of $100 and looking for a smart robot vacuum, let me introduce the Robo P20. This powerful vacuum cleaner has 2,800 PA of suction power, so it can easily pick up dirt, dust, hair, and other debris from hard floors and carpets. It also has a 120-minute runtime, so it can clean your entire home on a single charge up to 1,500 square feet. The Robo P20 is also smartly designed, with features like LiDAR navigation, app control, and no-go zones. LiDAR navigation allows the vacuum to map your home and create a cleaning plan, so it doesn't miss a spot. App control lets you start, stop, and schedule cleanings from your phone or with voice control with Alexa. No-go zones let you keep the vacuum out of areas you don't want it to reach. It is also equipped with anti-collision infrared sensors. It can intelligently avoid falls from stairs and ledges and automatically return to the charging base to charge. Whether you have a small apartment or a large home, the Robo P20 robot vacuum cleaner is the perfect way to keep your floors clean and free of allergens. The last product we have is a 4-in-1 versatile device that can be used as a vacuum cleaner, air duster, pump, and sealer. The Hodo Airbud is perfect for cleaning small spaces, such as keyboards, laptops, and car interiors. It can also be used to clean dust and debris from furniture, carpets, and other surfaces. This portable vacuum has a 2,200 mAh battery that provides up to 30 minutes of continuous use and a powerful suction that can pick up dirt, dust, and hair from any surface. It also has a built-in HEPA filter that traps allergens and pollutants. The air duster function can be used to remove dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas, such as the keyboard of your laptop. The pump function can be used to inflate balloons, air mattresses, and other inflatable objects. The sealer function can be used to seal food bags and other containers, and it is easy to clean and maintain. The Hodo Airbud 4-in-1 is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around, and it is easy to clean and maintain. It is also very affordable for $139, making it a great value for the money. That's it for today. There is a link updated with the last price in the description or the first comment for every product in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.